I'm excited to announce that DoorLoop has just raised $100 million from JMI Equity to complete our Series B funding round.
This major investment will accelerate DoorLoop's growth and innovation as an industry-leading all-in-one property management software.
With the support of JMI Equity, a leading growth equity firm focused on high-growth software companies, DoorLoop will invest in driving product innovation with a world-class team to be the go-to platform for property management.
Our software simplifies property management, automates everything from rent collection to maintenance requests, and drives scalable and sustainable portfolio growth.
DoorLoop has earned great recognition, being ranked number 13 out of 500 in Forbes' list of America's best startup employers in 2024.
We saw the potential of DoorLoop right away. Their intuitive products, their unmatched customer service, and their strategic vision for the future of property management software had us incredibly excited. We had to figure out a way to partner with this company.
Our mission is simple: to help property managers and owners make more money, stay organized, and grow their portfolios.
With these additional resources, we'll expand our team and technology, continuing to set the standard for property management software.